We welcome you to Izolyator plant. The Izolyator plant was established in 1896. Today, it is the latest generation manufacturing facility. The enterprise designs high-voltage bushings on alternating and direct current in 200 to 1,150 kilovolt voltage range and provides their service support. For your comfortable and safe stay at our plant, we have worked out brief regulations that would help yourselves while visiting our production facilities. The enterprise includes the administration building, the engineering building consisting of production facilities, workshops, process compartments, and a stock room. In order to ensure your safety in our plant, you should pay attention to the following hazards: the traffic of large-sized trucks on the territory, the operation lifting mechanisms operating in production facilities, wet floors in engineering and administration buildings, industrial noise in workshops. It is prohibited on the territory of the plant to smoke, except in the designated outdoor area, use an open fire, use alcoholic beverages and drugs, take videos and photos in production facilities. Basic regulations for visitors of Izolyator plant. When you are on the territory of our enterprise, move along the footpaths only accompanied by our employee. Do not stay in the maneuvering area of trucks when loading, unloading. Being near the operating forklifts, mind their maneuvers. In winter, beware of ice and slipping on the snow. While being in production facilities, stay in the engineering building only if you are accompanied by our employees. It is prohibited to touch the moving part of the equipment and stay under load. This is life-threatening. When you are in workshops, do not enter the working area. In workshops, the surface temperature of the equipment and processed materials can be high. It is prohibited to touch surfaces. Every visitor of the enterprise should be aware of the electric current, as it is a latent hazard. When touching energized parts of the equipment, you can get electrical injuries of various severity. Be careful. Follow the safety signs indicating hazardous areas. The main hazardous risks in labor safety and health protection at the enterprise are injuries associated with collisions with operated vehicles, self-propelled vehicles and carts, falling, slipping, stumbling, bruises, cuts, fractures, amputation of fingers and hands due to being pulled into the operated parts mechanisms, electrical injuries of various severity, burns as a result of touching heated surfaces of equipment and processed materials, injuries associated with falling objects or load-lifting equipment, poisoning, chafes and chemical burns of the eyes, skin, suffocation and respiratory paralysis, allergic reaction, injuries associated with the actions of visitors violating the labor protection regulations. What should be done in case of an emergency? When an automatic fire alarm system is triggered, we ask you, do not panic, leave the compartment by the nearest escape route, navigated by the direction signs, follow the instructions of the employee accompanying you. In case of an accident, notify the accompanying employee of the company about the accident or deterioration in your health, manifestation of signs of illness, poisoning. If an accident occurs, first aid is provided to the victim. The medical center of the Izolyator plant has all the necessary means and equipment. If necessary, an ambulance will be called. To reduce the level of exposure of harmful and hazardous production factors, employees of the enterprise must use personal protective equipment, special clothing and footwear, protective equipment for the respiratory organs, hand, head, hearing organs, face and eyes. Visitors of the enterprise are provided with the following protective equipment: coat, safety helmet, goggle. Our company has 3 golden rules. We observe the legislation. We immediately inform about the dangerous situation and cases of non-compliance with labor protection and fire safety requirements. We respect our colleagues and visitors of the enterprise. These are the basic regulations on the territory of the Izolyator plant. If you have any questions or need clarification, please contact the accompanying employee or the occupational safety specialist of the company by Intercom 211. Welcome to our plant.